Your patient's journey with iHero begins by redeeming a prescription and purchasing a subscription to iHero Vision Training software. After that, we dispatch the box to their address. This box will contain everything they need to get started: activation card and filter glasses. With their iHero box in hand, they are ready to activate their vision training software. By creating an account and downloading the software, they can immediately start with the one-time onboarding process. When the patient is opening the program for the first time, there is a simple and short onboarding procedure. To ensure that process is easy for everyone, we do not use any medical expressions, but rather keep things easy to understand. There are a few simple questions that are helping our smart self-learning algorithm start with personalization of the training, such as what is the age of the patient and which eye has a problem. This initial personalization is then fine-tuned in real time throughout the use of the iHero Vision Training. For the system to be effective, we also need to perform calibration, which will ensure that iHero performs optimally on the patient's device. As iHero supports a wide range of devices, we need to calibrate the screen size and the colors in a way that the red and green filters cancel out the objects on the screen completely. The last step in the onboarding is the binocular assessment. Now, it is crucial to understand that this isn't about measuring binocularity. It is simply a test to ensure that the user can effectively engage in vision training in binocular mode. If they don't pass the test, they will simply transition to working in a monocular mode. This temporary adjustment allows them to build their eye to the required level for binocular training. Patients can start with the daily training whenever they want by simply clicking on the Start Daily Training button. The daily training consists of 10 activities, lasting roughly 30 minutes in total. These sessions can be completed at any time, and the patient can take a break in between. They can easily make a couple in the morning and then finish off in the afternoon. We recommend training at least 5 times per week. Typically, the first noticeable improvements will appear after 2 to 3 months of use, with the overall training lasting at least 6 months. How long the training will take depends on the age of the patient and the complexity of the vision problem. Thank you for watching this video. In the next one, we will talk about sales and marketing strategies.